So today I will be making some churrasco in the Instant Pot, and that is skirt steak meat. And by doing it in the Instant Pot, it becomes super flavorful and tender. So I have put some oil down and put saute, some fresh garlic and my meat, and now I will season. I will use onion powder. I will also use some garlic powder. And it's more or less what I always use for everything. I will also use some black pepper, ground black pepper. And by doing it like this, you get some sear on both sides. I want to add oregano, cumin, and always go easy-handed on the cumin because it's a very strong spice, unless you like a lot of it, and then you can use as much as you want. Now to get some liquid in there, I am going to use some cooking wine instead of water. It gives it more flavor. So you would want to add about 1 cup so that you don't get the burnt notice on your Instant Pot. And all of this time I'm using the saute setting on the Instant Pot. You are going to add some salt to your meat as well. And the Instant Pot that I'm using here is the 6-quart, which I have listed on my product list. You're going to want to go ahead and flip the meat so that it gets the nice sear on both sides. And I apologize for the steam. So this is a little bit more of all those spices I used. And I'm also going to add a little cilantro cube. If you don't have, you can also use fresh. And for even more flavor, I am going to add some balsamic vinegar. This helps the meat get even more tenderized so it could be super soft once you're going to eat it. Churrasco can also be done on the grill, but in the Instant Pot it's quick and it comes out delicious, super flavorful, and super duper tender. You guys will see it at the end. So just mix in all the spices with the liquids. Make sure it gets on both sides of the meat. And I'm also going to use a little bit of low sodium soy sauce. So you can see how the meat is not even red anymore. It has a nice sear. And because I had a little bit of liquid had evaporated, I added a little bit more. You always want to make sure you have enough liquid to cook it with. Just making sure it gets all the juices from all the liquids and all the spices. And now we're going to cover our Instant Pot, and we want to cook it for 45 minutes. So when I pressed meat, it only gave me 25 minutes, and that is too little time because this meat is a little tough. You want to cook it for at least 45 minutes. So I was kind of looking for a setting that had the 45 minutes. And when I didn't find that, then I just did it manually. So go up to 45 minutes. That is how long you need for that amount of meat to get tenderized. Or to get tender enough to eat easily. And you guys will see how soft it is once I open it. So look at that, you guys. Super tender in 45 minutes. Delicious. You can pair this with congris, some rice and beans. You can make some tostones. There are so many things you can do with this meat, and it's super flavorful. I am sure you guys will enjoy it. My husband loves it. And it's so delicious. And with leftovers, you can make empanadas or so many things. So if you see that you have a lot of liquid left, what you can do is put your Instant Pot back on saute. And what that would do is evaporate some of the liquid. But you can even put that liquid, like the little bit of sauce, like on top of your rice or whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe.